most of the people also know you from big stages like Affiliate World, and you have a pretty good angle. And I also read that just before the interview on your website. There are 1,000, maybe 10,000 courses on how to make money online, but on how to make money as an affiliate. But there is no training on how to be actually a good affiliate manager and how to manage all these people. So that's a pretty smart move. And yeah.
Yeah, it's not so much money in that, like in making a good course for affiliates, because the affiliate is always like a self-employed guy and is looking for the next piece of information. The affiliate managers are often like employees or they work for somebody, so they are not willing to invest too much in their education. Also, they have maybe the mindset, hey, I get everything I know from my company or I learn it on the job, what is true in some ways. And additionally, it's also hard to train somebody on a certain vertical because every vertical and every company is so different. And
Yeah.
there is not a lot of education out there at all. And this is where I try to fill a gap together with some colleagues that are doing it in certain niches. Like for iGaming are dedicated people and for ecom people. But I think I'm the only one that really covers it for all verticals in some way.
Yeah. Super interesting. And how did you become an affiliate manager? How did you fall into this role?
So it was like this. I was 8 years selling insurances, and at a certain time, I was selling insurances to, or I helped somebody with an insurance problem that was having an online dating site. Christian Bayer, here, Online Dating Kings, started me in this industry, and he said to me like, "Yeah, you are like a cool sales guy or something like this. Why you don't want to work for me?" And for 2 years, I stayed in the insurance industry because I got promoted there to something like a team lead, so I had my first management role. Stayed there for 2 years, and then I was like, nah, this guy is doing all this cool adult stuff, and I saw him with his fucking Lambo and all these models, and I was there with my tie and my suit. Hello, I was in the neighborhood. You want to buy this insurance? This is shit. This is not what I want to do for the rest of my life. I quit and I joined this guy. And yeah, that was in 2010 and loved it from the first moment. I loved it before I even started in this industry because they took me like 1 month earlier, or 2 weeks before I should have started, to the European Summit 2010 in Barcelona, was back then the Barcelona Summit, to see if I like the environment and if I fit there. You know, maybe I'm this corporate guy still from the insurance, like, oh my God, there are some tits. Ooh, now I have to pray three Ave Maria or so. But this was not the case. I was like, wow, this is fantastic. I want to do this for the rest of my life. And yeah, then climbing up the ranks over the years, and now beside managing with Masters in Cash, this dating affiliate program, having my own little programs and projects that are all tailored to this industry.
That's crazy. I was an insurance seller at some point in my life as well, in my early 20s.
It's a good school.
Yeah,
If you
especially for
get,
handling rejection and stuff. Yeah.
oh, bro, it's like a conversion rate that is sometimes worse than in online,
Yeah,
and you have to take it to your face. Imagine you
exactly.
would get always like a call, an automatic call or a text message. Your ad is not good. Your ad is not good. User is not clicking, or you would get frustrated. But this really gives you good training to survive that.
Yeah, yeah. It was also one of the summer jobs that I had, and in one of the summer jobs, I was helping the fundraising for Malteser and the Red Cross.
Oh, that's even worse.
So we drove with a small bus, I think 8 or 10 people. We drove to Bavaria. They dropped us in one small village, gave us a printout of the map, and then he said, "Okay, Jonathan, you take this road, and the other guy takes this street." And then we had to knock on every door and do the fundraising for them. And so you knock on the door, people open the door and shut it down immediately. Like,
In a small village in Bavaria, you can be happy if they are not putting the dog on you.
yeah, maybe. Luckily, I didn't have that experience. But
Yeah.
what would you say? Did that help you become a better affiliate manager later on?
Um, let's say it like this. Now, after 15 years and being very established, I went a little bit too comfortable.
Mm.
So the appetite to push everything through super aggressive is after since maybe 8 years or so. I have quite a good standing, and the business comes quite automatically, and I only have
Mm.
to push it in the right direction. I lost a little bit this super aggressive sales skill. But in the first, let's say, 7 years or so, before becoming like an established guy, it helped me a lot to really grind and not have a problem with rejection and know how to sell. I didn't have the skill of affiliate management in the beginning. I didn't understood the industry, but I knew way better to sell than I can sell now. And that helped a lot. And if you look at affiliate managers and business developers or salespeople in this industry, they are so little that really have the skill set to sell proper. So when you enter this industry and you have this skill set really like forged in a volcano of selling insurances, or you going from door to door with Maltese and you sell like a paper, what is even worse than like selling a SaaS solution or a subscription to something, that prepares you for a lot. You enter this industry like a tsunami and you convince people left and right to work with you. That if you combine this then with the right knowledge, you have like a really winning thing. The problem that I have now, and most probably a lot of people that are long in this industry, when the business is coming, then at the time kind of automatically, and you just have to streamline it, the sales skill gets lost a little bit. I see that on myself.